Welcome to another quick video. In this video, you'll find out how you can use Tally.so to build viral quiz landing pages. If you want to create one of those quiz landing pages that are going really viral, this is how you can do it by using Tally.so. First of all, go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for Tally.so. You can log in or sign up to an account, or you can just do it without logging in or signing up. Once you're on the main website, you'll see a lot of options. You can create one from scratch or just use one of their templates. That would be much easier, so click on Use a Template. Now you can see all of the different templates of Tally.so. Here, all you need to do is just find the template that you want. For example, we want a quiz landing page. There will be a lot of them, just find the one that you like the best. For example, I'm just going to use this one. Once you found the template that you want to use, just click on Use this template from the top right corner. Now you'll be directed to the page where you can edit your template. Here you can change all the questions, their answers, the scores and everything. To change the question, just select the text and replace it with the question that you want. After switching the options, you'll need to select the actual answer. You can also select the score. Just repeating that process, you can change all of the questions according to whatever questions you want. At the end, you can change the congratulations page if the person wins, or the bummer try again page if the person loses who is playing the game. You can also select that what page comes after when the player guesses an answer and click on next. For example, here you can see it will jump to the page of page 5, which is the thank you page because this is the last question. You can change that if you want. And once you're done with your changes and you're happy with the product, just click on publish from the top right corner. And there you go. You have created one of those viral going quiz landing pages by using an AI tool called Tally.so. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.